I'm the Genius Asian. Welcome to the Genius family. If you don't clean your dryer vent, not only may it cause a fire, but it also will take longer to dry and cost more energy and money. A professional job can cost you $150, but today I'm going to show you my own $1 way. I will also show you how you can use this $20 tool or this $10 tool, which you can get from Home Depot, or this $18 cleaning kit from Orchard Supply, or this $12 from Walmart. I'll compare these tools with my own $1 solution and let you know which tools will work better for your situation. I'm going to show you how to do it, whether you have very easy and short duct or you have very long and very difficult duct, such as this periscope. Let's first make a brush. This is a $1 broom I got from a Dollar Tree store. Coat hanger. Fold the coat hanger like this with a screwdriver at the end. Use pliers to hold it and twist it. And then use pliers to pull the bristles out. See, this is what it looks like at the end. Put the bristles in between the two wires. And let's pull another bristles. You don't really have to pull very hard. It comes out easily. You just continue putting the bristles in. Use a plier to hold like this and a screwdriver at the one end, and you just need to twist it. See at the end, every bunch of bristles, you can just cut this out. Since our bristles are 4-inch long and our duct is 4-inch in diameter, I don't cut the bristles. So this is our $1 brush compared to the Home Depot's $10 brush. They are pretty similar in terms of function. This brush is from a $17 cleaning kit from Orchard Supply. This brush is from a cleaning kit from Home Depot, and they both work by twisting the cable. Watch my other video to make this kind of a brush. It's not that hard to clean a straight short duct, so I'm focusing on the long and difficult duct. I have a 16-foot duct in my house from the laundry room to outside. This cable is only 10 feet long, but if I can clean 8 feet from the laundry room entry and another 8 feet from the outside, I can use this 10-foot tool. For this tool, I can stack those poles to 12 feet. If I can clean from both ends, I can use this 12-foot tool to clean my 16-foot duct. My problem is with this periscope. It's actually inside the wall. The dryer connects to this duct, and then connect this end, this periscope, and goes inside the wall, and goes down, and turn 90 degrees in the crawl space, and goes out, and turn 90 degrees and goes out. See, this is 180 degrees. The cable cannot go through this periscope. The poles may be able to because it's flexible, but it's so tight. I'm concerned about damage to the duct. One solution is to buy another set of this 12-foot tool and just work from the outside opening if you don't have a periscope at the other opening. What if both outside and inside openings have difficult turns? When we have a long and difficult vent system, we have a dilemma. On one hand, you want your cable and poles to be strong so you can push it through. On the other hand, a strong cable may damage your duct. It would be nice if you can both push and pull the brush. It would be nice if your cable is not as strong while still reaching to the other end. Below, I'll present my rope solution. This solution will cause the least damage, although it may not be as quick. First, I cut a tennis ball I no longer need. Tie a rope to the ball. If I drop this ball down to the new periscope, it comes out from the other end because of this ramp. But the periscope in my house doesn't seem to have this ramp. It will get stuck in the bottom. To make sure the ball doesn't get stuck on the bottom, I use the wire coat hanger to push through one of the opening of the periscope. Let me move it outside, you can see better. The coat hanger is springy, so as I slide down, see, it's going to gradually and see to reach the other opening, and at that time I feel the tension on the coat hanger is released. Let me try the real case. I put the ball here and then push it down. Now I feel the tension on the coat hanger released. Then I will just come out. The ball is out of the periscope. This is a leaf blower I got from Home Depot for $34. It has 440 CFM. I removed the adapter. Since it's removed, there are two holes exposed. I take one hole to seal it and run the rope through the other hole. I use an old bicycle tube against the wall to help the air seal, or you can use a duct tape. Put the blower against the tire. I will feed this gradually as it is pulled along. See, this is the ball that is trapped in this elbow. You can pull it out. Now I attach this brush we just made and clean the duct by pulling the rope. You may have to do this multiple times, but it does not generate force as the cable or the post do. Thus, it is safer and it works for the length of the rope you have. This brush, I try to feed from outside and pull from this side, and they stop right at the wall before the periscope. But now I'm trying to feed from this side and push it down to the periscope. And then I'm going to pull from the outside. In summary, the problem with the periscope is that this cable is too hard. It will bend the first 90 degrees, but it doesn't bend on your command for another 90 degrees. This one, somehow, it can go through from one opening to the other, but it's very, very hard. It may damage your duct. No matter which other tools you use, you can also use my rope method along with those tools to get to the hard to reach areas, because pulling is always easier than pushing. Share this with people who you know that need it. Leave your own genius tips in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm the Genius Asian. Subscribe for more useful videos.